The pericardium meridian begins near the kidney exit point on the lateral side of the nipple, as illustrated. It then flows up towards the shoulder and curves downward ventrally to flow along the center of the arm, ending on the middle finger. The interior meridian originated from the chest, from the pericardium, and flowed through the upper, middle, and lower warmer of the body. Another branch starts at point pericardium 8 at the palm and flows to the ring finger to join with the triple warmer meridian at triple warmer 1. Pericardium 1 location in the fourth intercostal space, 1 tune lateral to the nipple. Point explanation used only as an entry point of the meridian. If there is a pain following breast surgery, this point, or when this area has been removed, any point along the remaining pericardium meridian should be needled together with the kidney meridian point at or before kidney 22 exit point. Next, pericardium 4, location 5 tune proximal to the anterior space of the wrist joint, most distal wrist crest, between the tendon of the palmaris longus and the flexor carpi radialis muscles. Point explanation, the C-cleft point of the meridian. It is a safe and useful point to be sedated in acute problems of the heart and pericardium. Sabi dito, use it wherever heart sedation is warranted. Next point is pericardium 6, which is located 2 tune proximal to the anterior wrist joint space, most distal wrist crest, between the tendons of the palmaris longus and flexor carpi radialis muscle. This is used as an important point that every acupuncturist should use, as a simple point that patient may use for acupressure massage. It is an area distal point for the thorax and upper abdomen and a symptomatic point for many symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, cough, asthma, chest pain, stomach pain, hiccups, tachycardia, and arrhythmia. PC7, which is located on the anterior aspect of the wrist joint space, most distal wrist crest, between the tendons of the palmaris longus and flexor carpi radialis muscle. This is used in the sedation point of the meridian. It sedates more of the yin than the yang. It is often used as a one-point therapy point for heel pain in the calcaneus spar or plantaris fasciitis. Next point is PC8, which is located in the center of the palm between the second and third metacarpal bones, slightly closer to the third metacarpal bone. This is another of my, sabi niya, favorite points. This is the fire point and the house element point of pericardium. It can tonify or sedate pericardium yin, though it is mostly used in tonification. This is done simply by placing the needle rather superficially on the point. It is excellent in treating dry, cracked, or peeling palms and other yin deficiency symptoms such as warm palms. This is also the exit point of the pericardium meridian where it flows into triple warmer 1. Next point is PC9, which is located on the most distal point at the tip of the middle finger. This is used in the tonification. This is a tonification point. Bleeding of this point is beneficial in letting out heat. It is used in fever in children, high blood pressure in adults. It is very safe in treatment of high blood pressure in pregnancy.